In today's digital age, having a website is not just an option, it's a necessity. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or just someone with a passion project, a website serves as your online storefront. It is often the first point of contact between you and your potential audience or customers. With billions of people online daily, a website provides you with a platform to reach a global audience. A well-designed website can lend credibility to your business or personal brand. In a world where people often Google for solutions, having a professional-looking website can greatly enhance your chances of being found. Even if your business operates offline, an online presence can help increase your visibility and credibility. This is particularly true for smaller businesses that cannot rely solely on word of mouth. Moreover, a website can be a powerful tool for communication. With features like contact forms, newsletters, and live chat, you can engage and interact with your visitors in real time. This level of interaction is invaluable for building relationships, understanding your audience's needs, and offering tailored solutions. Finally, a website can serve as a platform for showcasing your work, sharing your thoughts, or even selling your products. It allows you to control the narrative and the image that you present to the world. In essence, having a website is like having a 24/7 marketing tool that works for you around the clock. Before diving into the technical aspects of building a website, it is crucial to plan it thoroughly. The first step is to define the purpose of your website. Are you looking to sell products, provide information, or perhaps create a blog? Understanding the primary goal will guide all subsequent decisions from design to content creation. Next, consider your target audience. Who are they and what are their needs? The better you understand your audience, the more effectively you can tailor your website to meet their expectations. Consider factors such as age, interests, and online behavior. For instance, a tech-savvy audience might prefer a sleek, modern design, while a more traditional audience could appreciate a classic look. Once you have a clear understanding of your purpose and audience, create a sitemap. This is essentially a blueprint of your website, outlining all the pages and their connections. A well-thought-out sitemap ensures that users can easily navigate your website and find the information they need. It also helps you stay organized during the development process. Lastly, think about the kind of content you want to include. Will your site be text-heavy, or will it feature lots of images and videos? What tone of voice will you use? Planning these elements in advance can save you time and effort later, and ensure that your website delivers a consistent message throughout. Choosing a domain name is one of the first and most important steps in establishing your online presence. Your domain name is your address on the web, and it should be easy to remember, relevant to your brand, and importantly, available. As you brainstorm ideas, keep it simple and avoid hyphens and numbers, which can be confusing for users. Once you have settled on a suitable domain name, you will need to register it. There are many domain registrars available, such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, and Google Domains. Compare prices and services to find the best fit for your needs. Remember, your domain is your brand's identity, so choose wisely. After securing your domain, the next step is to select a hosting provider. A hosting provider serves as the home for your website files, ensuring that your site is accessible on the internet. Popular hosting providers include Bluehost, SiteGround, and HostGator. Each offers different plans and features, so it's essential to choose one that aligns with your website's needs and expected traffic. Consider factors like server reliability, customer support, and scalability when choosing a host. Some providers offer seamless integration with specific website building platforms, which can simplify the setup process. Additionally, look for providers that offer secure hosting environments to protect your site from potential threats. With your domain and hosting provider in place, the next step is to choose a website building platform. Your choice will depend on your technical skills, budget, and specific needs. WordPress is one of the most popular platforms, known for its flexibility and a vast array of plugins that can extend functionality. It's an excellent choice for both beginners and advanced users. For those seeking a more user-friendly interface, platforms like Wix and Squarespace offer intuitive drag-and-drop builders. These platforms are ideal for users with little to no coding experience and come with pre-designed templates to make the design process easier. They also offer integrated hosting, streamlining the setup process. Weebly is another option, known for its simplicity and ease of use. It's a good choice for small businesses and personal websites that require basic features and straightforward functionality. On the other hand, if you're looking to create an online store, Shopify is a robust platform designed specifically for e-commerce. Each platform has its pros and cons, so take the time to explore them and determine which one aligns best with your vision. Consider the level of customization you need, your budget, and whether you plan to expand your website in the future. Many platforms offer free trials, allowing you to test them out before committing. Section 5. Designing your website, layout, and aesthetics. Designing your website is where creativity meets strategy. A well-designed layout not only captures attention but also guides visitors through your content intuitively. Start by choosing a layout that supports your content and goals. Whether you opt for a grid system, a single-page design, or a traditional multi-page layout, ensure it aligns with your sitemap. Color plays a significant role in web design, influencing the mood and perception of your site. Choose a color scheme that reflects your brand and is visually appealing. Tools like Adobe Color can help you create harmonious color palettes. Keep in mind that consistency is key. Use the same colors for your text, backgrounds, and buttons to create a cohesive look. Fonts are another crucial element of design. Select fonts that are easy to read and complement your site's tone and style. A combination of 2 to 3 complementary fonts typically works well. Tools like Google Fonts offer a wide variety of free fonts to choose from. Remember, consistency in typography enhances readability and professionalism. Images can significantly enhance the aesthetic appeal of your website. Use high-quality images that are relevant to your content, and consider incorporating multimedia elements like videos or infographics. Optimize images for faster loading times, ensuring they do not slow down your site. A visually appealing design will engage visitors and encourage them to explore further. Section 6. User experience and mobile responsiveness. User experience, or UX, is a critical factor that can make or break your website's success. A good UX ensures that visitors can navigate your site effortlessly, find information quickly, and have a pleasant interaction overall. Start by organizing your content logically, using clear headings and intuitive navigation menus. Another key aspect of UX is mobile responsiveness. With the increasing number of people accessing the internet via mobile devices, your website must be mobile-friendly. Responsive design means your site adjusts seamlessly to different screen sizes, providing an optimal viewing experience regardless of the device used. Many website-building platforms offer responsive templates, making this easier to achieve. Additionally, pay attention to your site's loading speed. A slow-loading site can frustrate visitors and lead to higher bounce rates. Optimize your site's performance by compressing images, minimizing code, and leveraging browser caching. Tools like Google PageSpeed Insights can help you identify areas for improvement. Finally, test your website's usability with real users. Gather feedback on the design and functionality and make necessary adjustments. A website that offers a pleasant, seamless experience will not only attract visitors, but also encourage them to stay longer and return in the future. Section 7. Creating content, text, images, and SEO. Creating high-quality content is essential for engaging your audience and achieving your website's goals. Start with the text. Write clear, concise, and compelling copy that speaks directly to your audience's needs and interests. Use headings, bullet points, and short paragraphs to enhance readability and keep visitors engaged. In addition to text, incorporate images and multimedia elements that complement your copy and enhance the visual appeal of your site. High-quality images can capture attention and convey messages more effectively than words alone. Consider using original photos or sourcing images from reputable stock photo sites. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is crucial for improving your website's visibility in search engine results. Use relevant keywords strategically in your content, meta tags, and image alt texts. However, avoid keyword stuffing, as it can negatively impact readability and search engine rankings. Tools like Google Keyword Planner can help you identify effective keywords for your niche. Finally, regularly update your content to keep it fresh and relevant. This not only benefits your audience but also signals to search engines that your site is active, potentially boosting your rankings. Consistent, high-quality content will keep visitors coming back and help establish your website as a trusted source of information. Section 8. Testing your website. Functionality and usability. Once your website is built and content is in place, it's crucial to test it thoroughly before going live. Testing ensures that everything functions as expected and that users have a seamless experience. Start by checking all links and buttons to ensure they direct visitors to the correct pages. Broken links can frustrate users and harm your site's credibility. Next, test your website's forms and interactive elements. Whether it's a contact form, a newsletter sign-up, or an e-commerce checkout process, ensure that each component works smoothly. Simulate various user scenarios to identify any potential issues or areas for improvement. Usability testing is equally important. Invite real users to navigate your site and provide feedback on their experience. Pay attention to their comments on navigation, content clarity, and overall satisfaction. Use their insights to make necessary adjustments, ensuring your site meets user expectations. Lastly, test your website across different browsers and devices. This will help you identify any compatibility issues and ensure that your site looks and functions well everywhere. Tools like BrowserStack or Lambda Test can facilitate cross-browser testing. A thoroughly tested site is more likely to provide a positive user experience and achieve its intended goals. Section 9. Maintaining your website. Updates and more. Maintaining your website is crucial for its long-term success. Regular updates ensure that your site remains secure, functional, and relevant to your audience. Start by keeping your website building platform and plugins up to date. Updates often include security patches and performance improvements, protecting your site from potential threats. Regularly back up your website to prevent data loss. Many hosting providers offer automated backup solutions, but it's also wise to create manual backups periodically. In the event of a site crash or data breach, having recent backups can save you significant time and stress. Monitor your website's performance using analytics tools like Google Analytics. These tools provide insights into visitor behavior, popular content, and traffic sources. Use this data to make informed decisions about content updates, design tweaks, and marketing strategies. Finally, stay informed about the latest trends and best practices in web development. This will help you keep your site modern and competitive. Consider joining online communities, attending webinars, or subscribing to industry newsletters. Continuous learning and proactive maintenance are key to keeping your website effective and engaging. Section 10. Conclusion, encouragement, and additional resources. Building a website may seem daunting at first, but remember that every expert was once a beginner. With careful planning, creativity, and a willingness to learn, you can create a website that meets your needs and exceeds your expectations. Embrace the process, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're valuable learning opportunities. As you embark on this journey, take advantage of the wealth of online resources available to you. Websites like W3 Schools, Codecademy, and Free Code Camp offer tutorials and courses on various aspects of web development. Additionally, platforms like YouTube and Medium host countless videos and articles on design, SEO, and more. Networking with fellow web developers can also be incredibly beneficial. Join forums and social media groups to connect with others, share experiences, and seek advice. Remember, the web development community is vast and supportive, and there's always someone willing to help. Finally, celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Each step forward is progress, and your dedication will ultimately lead to a successful website. Stay curious, keep learning, and enjoy the creative process. Your website is a reflection of your vision, and with the right tools and mindset, you can bring it to life.